Okay, this little blue guy here is my new scooter. New for me anyway. It's a Yamaha 125cc. It's secondhand, but I mean, you can see this thing is a 96 and it's got like not a scratch on it. It's kind of crazy. Like even the bumper is like brand new. So they really hooked it up. I still got the plastic on the seat. But yeah, that's about it. And as we all remember from my past channel, it's my boy Brian. Say ni hao, Brian. Alright, so anybody that remembers, this is not, if you guys have been to my old Amrak and Avon channel, this is my new place where I'm going, because even though I love my old Yamaha shop, where Brian goes, I go. So Brian quit the other shop and moved into here. It's smaller, but I like it a lot. It's very organized. It's really clean, and that means a lot to me. The owner's back there, but I like it. I like it a lot. So, hey, 这个，不知道这个哪里不知道。我知道。那我知道，你知道。So， 哎，这个 Brian， 这个机车好不好？好。好。是。没有，18000，好不好 ？Okay. Yeah. I brought in another scooter the other day, and Brian took one look at it and said, unless you're a complete and total moron, don't buy this. So I follow Brian's advice because Brian doesn't steer me wrong. He sent me over to a shop from a friend of his, and they hooked me up with a real pretty little guy, a real pretty little scooter. So I'm very happy. Brian says it's a good working order. I got a few things I got to work out with, and the back brake's squeaking a little. It's got your disc brake on the front, drum brake up on the rear. Pretty standard. That's the end of the game. Say bye-bye, Brian. Bye-bye.